Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the second place here we have audio control option, so let's tap here, and now we can turn it on by using this button or turn it off as we need. Now let me keep this turned on, and here we can take a picture without touching the screen by saying some keywords like say cheese to take photos or speak loudly to take photos. Now let me stay on the second option. Let's go back to the camera and let me try now to say loudly hello to take a picture, and as you can see it's not working, so we have to be really loud. So let me try again. Hello. Maybe let me get closer. Hello. Oh, and now it's working. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.